Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about crypto super cycle. It's just around the corner. Let's dig in. Trump's first day executive orders could repeal SEC's controversial accounting bulletin. On the very first day of crypto president's reign, what would you expect from him? Probably positive. He plans to issue executive orders that could address debunking and SEP 121. The industry has raised concerns about SEP 121 because that required corporations, firms to custody crypto to record their customers' crypto holdings as liabilities only on their balance sheets. SEP 121 has been the gatekeeper to prevent institutional investors from buying Bitcoin, and this ridiculous guide shall be gone forever. New FASB rule change, and this will supercharge Bitcoin asset integration in corporate finance. This article has been more than a year now, but this is very important because in the past, Bitcoin was regarded as liabilities only to institutional investors, and now Bitcoin can be recorded as fair value to institutions. From now on, there will be tons of corporations like MicroStrategy or Metaplanet in Japan, because just holding Bitcoin will increase significantly the value of the corporation. These two guys, on the same day, Trump comes in and Gensler goes out. Do you think it's a coincidence? We're another critical date in crypto market, January 15th. If SEC doesn't reappeal to the court by January 15th, lawsuits between SEC and Ripple will be over forever. For sure, I don't know the future, and cannot guarantee the result of this lawsuit, but just imagine the price of XRP when it's finally over after 4-year-long meaningless battle. Wall Street advances on hopes for selective Trump tariffs. If tariffs changes from universal to selective tariffs, this will definitely weaken inflation and dollar index. And this is usually good for both crypto and stock markets. Unfortunately, this hasn't been confirmed yet because another article came out on January 14th. Trump team is studying gradual tariff hikes under emergency powers. Plan would boost import duties 2 to 5% a month on trade partners. This is another word change from Trump's team. Whether that's selective or gradual tariff hikes, both of them will weaken dollar index, lower interest rates in the United States, and this will in turn make America great again and pump the market. The reason is important. Why did he change his word from universal to selective or gradual tariff hikes? In order to make America great again, what Trump truly wants is not strong dollar, but weak dollar. Just remember what happened in 1985, the Plaza Accord. Strong dollar, if this goes and it continues, this will affect the US economy in a bad way. Strong dollar was initially intended for United States, especially for Trump, to win negotiations with other countries, especially with China, European Union, Canada, Mexico, South Korea, and Japan. Especially China and Europe's economy is very bad, and this means China and European Union, they want to lower rates and print tons of money. But they cannot do it because of strong dollar. Unless United States print money lower rates, they can't do it. If they do, China and European Union will face hyperinflation. So they are waiting for United States rate cut plus QE desperately. And Trump knows this. And then China and European Union, after United States lower rates, print money, and then China and European Union will do the same. And Trump will take advantage of this weakness in China in European Union. Second, what Trump truly wants is moderate inflation rate. That was why he changed his stance on tariffs. The history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. In his first term, Trump already implemented gradual tariff hikes on China. In his first term, he also lifted tariffs imposed on Canada and Mexican products just a year later. In this way, Trump I think he will try to disinflate this throughout this year. In so doing, US Federal Reserve can lower rates and print more money. Generally, this will be very good for crypto as well as US economy. MAGA again. Zelensky says war will end sooner with Trump as president. And Israel Hamas, well, what if these two warfares end sooner than expected? Trump's envoys are talking with Ukraine, Israel prime ministers, and the relevant, high-level officials now. Personally, I think two warfares will be over soon. An end of war usually lowers inflation, especially the price of oil and agricultural products, especially in Russia and Ukraine. This inflation can make United States and the rest of the world to lower rates and print more money. This chart represents the dollar index. The black line represents the Trump's first administration, especially in late 2016 till the end of 2017. And this blue line, DXY, from last November until now. It moves in a similar way as first and second Trump's period. During that period, it goes similar way. And I assume that this DXY will go down throughout this year. All this combined will bring crypto super cycle. We, however, will face huge market crash too. It's my market estimate of this year. Q1 will be good. Q2, bad. Q3 or Q4, we might see a market recovery. It's my current estimate, so it can be wrong for sure. If the market goes crazy in Q1, well, I will sell most of my tokens. And then if I can buy the dip, I will do that. What's your thoughts on my plan? Thank you for listening.